This section is all about getting yourself established for success. So we're going to be talking about things like how to set proper boundaries, the importance of boundaries when it comes to running a business from home or working from home. We're also going to be talking about how to find true balance so that you don't burn out, how to use simple exercises to regain composure and perspective as you go throughout your day. I'm also going to show you a way to schedule your day in a way that not only helps you maintain motivation, but also allows you to get the maximum amount of work done in the smallest amount of time. If you haven't already, please grab a pen and a piece of paper, and as you watch the videos and you go through the lessons, be sure to take notes. And as you do that, you're going to find that a lot of the puzzle pieces from this course begin to snap into place. So let's get started and go ahead and continue on to the next video, and I'll join you there.